This is a love reading for you, Scorpio, for you and your love interest for August to September. In this reading, I'm going to do is a heart shape spread to see how's the guidance for the two of you. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Scorpio, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? Also, please note that if you would like a very direct guidance, then you should write to me for a personal reading. And do read my newsletter. I've given the link of it in the description box as well. What is the strength and challenges the two of you bring? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So let us see. Scorpio, you are this person who lives the life to the most, and you truly know how to enjoy yourself. And it's not like you take being happy for granted. Some of you are working towards this happiness. You like to look good, you like to dress up, you like to be very socially affable. So there is this whole energy about wanting to live a good life and putting in so much to have a good life. So you do put in a lot of effort, and it shows. And in the relationship, it's possible that your partner was very impressed with the way you were or how you carried yourself, and then he or she made a proposal, or then started to get to know each other or fell in love. Your partner, on the other hand, looks like he or she is a college or a school dropout. He or she may not have finished education for some reason. I'm just seeing that he or she started a business of their own, were not able to pursue or finish a certain education. I'm also seeing is that your your while you're with your partner or the person you're in love with, he or she is not supported to be with you. Maybe it's the family who's against it, maybe it's his or her friends who are saying this match is not the best match for you. So your partner is getting a lot of negatives from around them to be not with you. But frankly, people just need to get to know you, Scorpio. You're so beautiful, you are just living it up, and there is no dearth of proposals for you or love interest coming your way. You are mighty or very very impressive, and it's just you are amazingly attractive. So your partner, while is with you, he or she is not getting much support from people or close friends or family to take this relationship forward. I don't know what may be going on with your partner, but just that's how I'm getting the guidance. So, but your partner is quite interested in you, so you both are quite invested in each other. And let's just see how the other cards are. What is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? Both of you are quite alike, and there are times when you would like to say some things, but you will choose to not hurt the person. There's so much love in you, Scorpio, and your partner is also very very the word is, he or she is quite takes your side over any kind of an argument or any wrong decision you may take, or just something you may say or want. Your partner just wants to agree with you. He or she will not look if it is fair, if it is right or not. Your partner just always wants to be on your good side, agree with you, or just do whatever you are saying. Your partner is very, very smitten, and you are someone who has a lot of love in your heart, so you choose to not say anything mean or bad, and you don't like a fighting energy about you, even if it is just to get by, or it's just how your daily routine may be, but you like to deal with everything with lot of love and affection. Very beautiful cards. Your partner totally wants to impress you all the time, Scorpio. He or she just agrees to everything you say, wants to do everything you are saying, and even if you're wrong, will fight the people to say no, Scorpio is right. So I'm just seeing a great loyalty coming from your partner. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who has a lot of money, is very, very well to do, and maybe coming from a very rich or a well to do family. So, this could be the reason why there may be some resistance. His or her family is trying to, is not so easily agreeing to this match, but you see your partner as someone very, very successful with lot of money, and has built lot of wealth on his or her own also. So your partner may have somebody who is coming from a great background of luxury, riches and comfort, and is also working hard now to create a good life for himself or herself. Your partner sees you as someone who may just say no if or he or she will, whenever will propose to you. So your partner feels that you may just be doing, this may be something very casual for you, and this may not be something very serious or something you want to make it long term. Your partner feels that this relationship is something very casual, short term for you. Why your partner feels like this, I don't know, but Scorpio, maybe if you are interested and you want to make this long term or solid, you should talk to your partner. Otherwise, your partner's family, friends are telling him or her that this Scorpio is not for you. Scorpio is also and your partner is also feeling that this is a casual fling, nothing serious or long term. But if you have your heart in this for long term, then you should definitely speak with your partner. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? I don't know, but looks like you both have agreed that maybe the future together is not going to work out, or the two of you can only be together for so long, and maybe there's not much of a future promise. So, these cards are telling me both of you feel that the future, that this is something very casual. It's quite possible the two of you are just dating, or you have just met and you're spending time together, and you both have told each other that we will not take it forward, or we don't want to take it forward, because that's how I'm seeing the cards. Your partner feels that you will not make it a winning relationship, or you will not take it or fight for this relationship, and you don't see much glory or win about the future with Scorpio. And Scorpio, you feel that this relationship is not supported. So, this is something very spiritual. You feel that this relationship is not supported. The two of you are possibly not meant to be together as soulmates or love partners. The two of you are supposed to be just be, having a good time together, and that's it. So, because I'm just saying that you feel you both are not supported, maybe it's just how you feel the vibe, it's how you feel there is a lack of wavelength. So, the two of you are not so sure about the future together. Now, what is the past you both are coming from? I'm seeing in the past you've worked a lot, maybe you learned the hard way, Scorpio, how to live life in every moment, how to dress up, look good, and how to be impressive socially. Because I'm seeing in the past, all you ever did was just keep working, not look or enjoy life or look at different perspectives in life. All you ever did was keep working till the time you had overworked yourself, and you are in this dying energy of overwork, and just thinking about money, how much more there is to do. So you seem to have maybe fallen ill, or maybe some stress took a toll on you, and you have changed as a person, Scorpio. So good part is your past, difficult past, seems to have taught you a few lessons. What is the past your partner is coming from? He or she is very very intuitive. I am seeing that your partner can gauge a lot of things very quickly, and has a lot of control over their life situation and life decisions. Your partner comes from a very deep understanding about people, about culture. He or she is not someone who will rush into anything. So this is how the past is looking for the two of you. Now let us see how's overall the guidance for the love reading. Okay. See, this relationship is very unorthodox. I am seeing that maybe there is some weirdness to how the two of you are together. Maybe the two of you, there is some age gap. Maybe there is something very different about this relationship, in a way that the two of you find it difficult to take it together forward, or a lot of people are not supportive of it. So, and you both seem to be creating a new path for the for this love energy. But overall I'm seeing that there is a lot of effort or mountainous task should the two of you want to make it big together or permanent in the coming times. As of now I'm just seeing that two of you being in a good happy energy, and this is something which is right now only short term. I'm just seeing it's an unorthodox relationship. Maybe there is something very different about it in some way, and that's it. Maybe the two of you should just enjoy being together and not worry about the long term as of now.